How often should you be exfoliating your face? Okay, I feel a little bit sassy today, so watch out. If you're already doing injectables, layers, chemical peels, things like that, long-term effects, what do you think that's doing to your skin? Probably nothing very good for your skin. And then also there's all those articles out there like, you should only exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week. And then there's Facebook groups that I'm in and they're like, my skin is so dry and flaky and I don't know why. Listen, I have dry eczema on my hands, but I have really dry, super sensitive skin on my face, a touch of rosacea, just to round things out. I exfoliate every single day, and I've been exfoliating every single day for the last 9 years. I have noticed personally, if I don't exfoliate, then my skin freaks out. Now, hold on with me, because there is a key to the exfoliating. I don't exfoliate with just whatever exfoliator. I use a sugar scrub. So if you have dry eczema skin, you want to exfoliate, and you want to exfoliate every single day. Why? Because it's gonna remove that top layer of dull, dry, flaky skin cells that's actually physically blocking moisturizers from absorbing into your skin. But you also want to use sugar because it actually moisturizes the skin. A lot of people don't know that. So when you're using like apricot scrubs, coffee scrubs, salt scrubs, hyaluronic acid, I've seen people say, and like, my esthetician looked at me like I was nuts when I told him my skin felt dry afterwards. Yeah, it's drawing this moisture out of your skin. You're not nuts. So if you have dry eczema skin, you want to exfoliate and you want to do it every single day with sugar. So not all sugar scrubs are created equal either. You definitely want to take a look at the ingredients on the back of the jar. So like your food, take a look at the ingredients where it says ingredients and see what's in that bad boy. I made my own sugar exfoliators because of my dry skin, like I was just telling you about, because I was frustrated with lotions and oils not absorbing into the skin. I would go to Target and buy sensitive face moisturizers because my face would break out so darn easy. It was obnoxious, and then it just never really helped the problem. So I made my own solution, and this is it. So I use this every single day. It's sugar and coconut oil, distilled water, essential oil, and a little bit of preservative because you're using it with water. And that is it. It's amazing. The essential oil is just to give it some scent. It's not real strong, so it's not going to irritate your skin. And yes, you can wash your face with it. Where can you use it? I use it all over my face, on my eyes, and people freak out when they hear that. It's safe. You're using it with water, so the sugar is going to melt. As long as you're using it with water, I recommend it. The water helps the sugar break down. It's nice and oily, but not too oily. You can take the waterproof mascara off. It works amazing, so you don't have to go out and buy another makeup remover. It's saving you time, frustration, money, effort, all the things. And then the other thing that I hear a lot too is, oh, well, it's coconut oil, so it's gonna clog my pores. No, that's not true either. If you are adding 15 other chemical products after the fact for whatever reason, like I need something else for extra anti-aging benefits or whatever, I want something to tone my pores, you want to stick with natural products. So natural as in, again, look at the ingredients on the back of it. What I recommend, and I'll put links down below, is alcohol-free witch hazel. There's some that smell incredible. You want alcohol-free so that way it's not tight or drying to the skin, but it's going to help tone and tighten the pores. It's fantastic to use after your exfoliator, which is what I do. And then if you really need some extra moisture, then put a pea size or less of the cream on. Another product that I developed because of my skin. This has mango butter in it. Mango butter is amazing for dry eczema skin. It helps plump the skin and nourish the skin. If you use it on your hands, it repels water. Customers have reported that it helped plump their fine lines. So yes, you can use it under your eyes. You can use it as an eye cream. That's what I do. I use it for neck, chest, hands, because all those areas show signs of aging, and that is it. Keep it simple, keep it clean. It works. If you want to see a real life example of how I use this on the face, you think of full crap, go watch this. And then last but not least, if you found this helpful or if you like my sarcasm, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button so that way you're notified when new videos come out.